Required accessories. Remove the battery. Lift the bike. Remove the brakes. Dismantle the front wheel. Remove the headlight. Keep the screws properly. Remove the handlebars. Keep all bearing cups properly. Loosen the bolts of the upper triple clamp. Remove the front shock absorber. Take off the bearing cups of the shock absorber. Install the headlight bracket. Remove the bolt under the multi-link shock absorber. Install the headlight bracket. Tighten the bolts. Loosen the bolts of the multi-link upper triple clamp. Remove this bolt. Only loosen the other sun bolts, do not remove them. Perform the same operation on the other side. Remove the lower triple clamp. Install the bearing cups from the original shock absorber in sequence. Install the multi-link shock absorber. Only install one bearing cup here. Install the handlebars to prevent the shock absorber from falling down. Attach the bolts, do not fully tighten them yet. Tighten the bolts of the upper triple clamp. Install the bolts of the lower connecting rod. Do not fully tighten them yet. Remove this bolt of the upper connecting rod on both sides. Remove the bolts on the shock absorber. Loosen the steering tube bolts. Lift the handlebars up slightly. Route the wiring harness through the middle of the shock absorber. Rotate the handlebars accordingly. Reinstall the shock absorber. Install washers on both sides. Tighten the bolts with a wrench. Reattach the connecting rods. Do not fully tighten the bolts yet. Straighten the handlebars. Install the bolts. Loosen the upper triple clamp bolts. Tighten the steering tube bolts securely. Pull the shock absorber upward. Retighten the upper triple clamp bolts firmly. Tighten the left and right steering tube bolts. Ensure there are no gaps at the top or bottom. Remove the front wheel axle. Install the front fender. Insert the bolts. Tighten the bolts to secure. Install the front wheel. Reinstall the front wheel axle. Tighten the bolts to fix it in place. Replace with the new brake bracket. Attach the bolts. Tighten these two bolts. Squeeze the front brake with one hand. Use the other hand to tighten the two-disc brake bolts. Avoid brake rubbing. Secure the brake cable. Then tighten the bolts on both sides of the connecting rods. Finally, install the headlight. Align the arrow with the arrow mark and connect the headlight wires. Installation is complete.